dear friends. I am back with Alka's POV, my point of view. I have been talking about something very important in life, which is called happiness. And we have already talked about how at times of turmoil and difficulties, we have to grab the moments of happiness from life. Today, a similar thing will be discussed, and I will talk about how you can get happiness by giving happiness to others. It's a very important thing. We do it all the time. You do it, others do it, I do it. But what happens is we don't really pay attention to it. From morning till night, if you sit and think, there will be a dozen people who have tried to do something nice for you, who have tried to make you happy, to give you some kind of solace, some kind of relief, some joy. But you take it in your stride and you let it pass. Here we will discuss about getting more and more happiness in life. And today we will discuss about getting happiness by giving happiness. So first let us see how can you be happy by doing this. And you will have to realize how people expect to get happiness from others. To do this, you first sit and think, how would you be happy if others want to give you happiness? What will make you happy coming from others? And once you realize that, okay, if they do this to me, I'll feel happy. If this is done from someone here, I will feel happy. You will also realize in the similar way how you could do the similar things and make others happy, and at the same time feel happy yourself. I have lots of friends, and I can talk about my experience, the way I get happiness from them. I'm not talking about giving happiness, I'm talking about how they make me happy. Some of my friends, when we meet, they come and hug me tight. I feel very happy. Some of them, they call me on my special days, my birthdays, anniversaries, on festivals, or if there's something happy in our family, they call us. Even if there is something which has gone wrong in my family, they call and they ask about my welfare, and I feel some relief. Then there are friends who get me small gifts. I feel very happy. They show concern and care, and I feel very happy. So similarly, in your life, you will have to assess how people are making you happy. Once you do that, you will be able to do it to others. As an example, I would say that there are some elderly couples who are not so fit to live life fully. There will be a single person, a man or a woman, and you need to relate with them. Call them once in a while. If possible, visit them. They will feel very happy. You can take a small dish that you have prepared, or you can even buy some pastries and carry them with you. Do something which will make others happy. And I promise you, when you will do this, you will be also equally happy. Think about this. Some of my friends say it's not easy for us in our busy lives to find time to wish so many people or to connect with so many people. I know we all have limitations, but at least we can try. And I will tell you, the more you want to give happiness to others, the more others will come and give you happiness. The issue is about feeling the happiness also. Like I said, sometimes these moments come, they rub you and they pass you. They don't enter you. They don't give you that feeling, that depth of emotion. So friends, develop that. Develop the feeling of happiness in as many ways as you can. Life is running out and we have to do so many things. Please, please think about this. That is what I find very important. All the best to you.